As you can see, I've cut some fret markers. I've taken a set out, which I've now put in there just by hand that they fit really nice. So I'll get those all glued in. I've glued the fret markers in. They fit really nicely into the little recesses that were machined in there. So I'm going to put that aside, let them dry. I'll probably put a bit of tape over those as well to help hold them down. And then I shall probably try and glue the binding each side of the fretboard and round the end. And then when that's all gone off, I can then sand all of that down before I then put the frets in. Right, so while the neck's drying with the fret markers, I'm going to now stick the binding around the body. Right, I've taken the tape off of these. Now they're glued on, I'm going to glue the binding around both sides of the fingerboard, around the end. Right, I've glued the binding on the fingerboard. I've taken the tape off, it's cured, but I'm going to leave it to fully cure before I start sanding this nice and tidy. And as you can see, I've also stuck the binding around the body. So when it's all gone off fully, I'll be sanding this down and also sanding this down and getting this ready for the frets. I've also drilled the holes for the tuners out, but what I'm going to do, I've got a nice piece of oak veneer which I'm going to stick on there. And as I've got some of this material left, I'm going to put my initials in there, JM. Should look nice.